Sahih Al-Bukhari 3615, narrated Al-Bara bin Azib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu came to my father, who was at home, and purchased a saddle from him. He said to Azib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, "Tell your son to carry it with me." So I carried it with him, and my father followed us so as to take the price of the saddles. My father said, "O Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, tell me what happened to you on your night's journey with Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam during migration." He said, "Yes, we traveled the whole night and also the next day till midday, when nobody could be seen on that way because of the severe heat. Then there appeared a long rock having shade beneath it, and the sunshine had not come to it yet. So we dismounted there, and I leveled a place and covered it with an animal hide or dry grass for the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam to sleep on for a while. I then said, 'Sleep, O Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam, and I will guard you.' So he slept, and I went out to guard him. Suddenly I saw a shepherd coming with his sheep to that rock with the same intention we had. When we came to it, I asked him, 'To whom do you belong, O boy?' He replied, 'I belong to a man from Medina or Mecca.' I said, 'Do your sheep have milk?' He said, 'Yes.' I said, 'Will you milk for us?' He said, 'Yes.' He caught hold of a sheep, and I asked him to clean its teeth from dust, hair, and dirt. The sub-narrator said that he saw Al-Bara radiallahu ta'ala anhu striking one of his hands with the other, demonstrating how the shepherd removed the dust. The shepherd milked a little milk in the wooden container, and I had a leather container which I carried for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to drink and perform the ablution from. I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hitting it to wake him up, but I reached there. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had already awakened, so I poured water over the middle part of the milk container till the milk was could. Then I said, 'Drink, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam.' He drank till I was pleased. Then he asked, 'Has the time for our departure come?' I said, 'Yes.' So we departed after midday. Suraka bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala followed us, and I said, 'We have been discovered, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam.' He said, 'Don't grieve, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with us.' The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam invoked evil on him, i.e. Suraka radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and so the legs of his horse sank into the earth up to its belly. The sub-narrator Zuhair is not sure whether Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu said it sank into solid earth. Suraka radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, 'I see that you have invoked evil on me. Please invoke good on me, and by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala I will cause those who are seeking after you to return.' The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked good on him, and he was saved. Then whenever he meets somebody on the way, he would say, 'I have looked for him here in wine.' So he caused whomever he meet to return. Thus Suraka fulfilled his promise Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.